Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV. Lawan Rashapi Daka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
UMLA ke UDP no Senram uba Olen Singh Sun ulawanra ke jingkli yang dorbar thawan ke jella la hatu ke sarkar ke danjing thmu ne ban kintiu no ye ke mo Senram CNRD block che ke civil subdivision ula benrap ru de ke jingkli ke ba ulong ba phai ke jingdan ke dong shong shnong ke mo Senram kadang khambun bre ban yigarani kor la ni ke pen ursla balada phai se jingdan ki shnong ru ke mo Senram ke khambun ban yigarani kor la ni ke pen ursla ba ke jingjingai nong ba shilong ru ke long ko machis pa kilometer AA hatu ke mo Senram kam dan hok si ban yo ke civil subdivision hatu kini ke jingdan kam kimla biang ban ai civil subdivision ya ke mo Senram Hawajubab yakani usumbut mendirang ba ka jelau ba preston tensong ulong ba ka mo Senram krabyang kat kum ginon kam ba kan yo ka civil subdivision ndek dan ru bontli ki wepan ki jaka ki biang ban yo ka civil subdivision ba ka sarkar kana hab ban examen chwa ba kan shim ya ka rai on ladab examen UMLA ke Trinamool Congress na dong thamai ba Charles Pingrop ula benrap lang ya ke jingkli da ka ba ong ba ke East Khasi Hills ke district ke behe tam ha ka jela ba ladon kam ban phya no ya ka ba ka sora kla de ban yo ya ka district halo ke niru ba preston ula ong ba ka sarkar ka examen.
We move on to the next question raised by Sri Olan Singh Swin MLA. Sri Preston Tusong Deputy Chief Minister in charge to reply please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to state question 31. A and B, sir, the matter is the examination.
Mr. Swin.
Mr. Speaker, sir, thank you for the Minister to have replied my question. But the question was, I'm very happy, but the question was not to the satisfaction. So before I ask another question, may I make one or two sentence statements, sir? You see, Mo Senram CNR block is a multi-community inhabitants, speaking different language, having different faith and religions. And even though we coexist as brothers and sisters, in such a diversity of culture, belief, and so on. So, it is, we are living in unity, though in diversity. Second, sir, as we know, Mo Senram, within Mo Senram block itself, we have the altitude of 550 meters up to 1,700 meters. In between this altitude, we have three climatic regions: the temperate region, the subtropical region, and the tropical regions bordering Bangladesh. Population are living in temperate region, living in plateau, living in difficult terrain, living in low flat areas, in border areas. They are facing very much difficulty. The distance from the headquarters is more than 100 kilometers up to the extreme border. We have also the population size bigger than Ranikor civil solution, bigger than Peninsula civil solution. We have also the village, higher number of village than Ranikor civil solution, than Peninsula civil solution. Except the size of the area, Ranikor is higher than us. The rest, all the tabis, we are in higher than those civil solution. So, sir, and besides our people or villages situated in the difficult terrain, it's very difficult for the digital system of governments to reach to our people. It is only the civil subdivision that can bring closer administration to our people. So if these facts and data, sir, to buttress support of my statement, if the department required, yes, I can support any time. So based on this statement, sir, may I know from the Minister in charge to pass a remark comment and give a statement whether these data are fit to grant civil solution for Mo Senram CNRD block, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, yes, the concern of the Honorable MLA from Mawsynram, Sun, and the justification he placed before the Agwas House. It's so convincing, no doubt of it, sir. Very, very convincing. Yes, sir. In fact, as I've already replied, matter is under examination. We know not only Mawsynram alone, we do have quite a number of more places which needs the administration going down closer to the people. So, sir, let me again reiterate that the proposal for creation of Mawsynram civil subdivision is being examined in detail by the government, and once the process is completed, once the examination is done, then I'll be in the position to tell the honourable members and also the people of Mawsynram area as a whole.
So thank you, sir. I have nothing to say but only to request the ruling dispensation to kindly consider our lots, because I'm the voice of the people of my constituency. So when I speak, I'm speaking on their behalf. I'm their voice. So I request the ruling dispensation to kindly be pathetic to grant us a civil solution, because it is all the data are fit to be granted Mawsynram Sinadi block as a civil solution. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yes, but Charles, please.
So I also, as a voice of the people of the state, I had put this question before in the last session also, if I recollect. My recollection is me. East Khasi Hills is one of the biggest districts in the entire state. And I don't have any data, but I know it is the biggest. Will the government consider creating another district within the East Khasi Hills, as the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister has rightly said, to bring governance close to the people, in Sora, and upgrading it into a headquarters, district headquarters? This question was raised by me before. Will the government consider that now, since they're taking up the matter of Mawsynram also?
Mr. Speaker, sir, yes, sir, as I've already replied again, be it creation of Sinadi block, be it creation of civil subdivision, or even district, government is always thinking of the main intention of the government is to bring down the administration, the government, towards the nearest location of the people. That is our intention. So yes, as already mentioned by the honourable member, by Charles Pongrop, we are examining both, not only civil subdivision, but district as well as creation of CNRD blocks.